Today, we're diving deep into the world of Photoshop Panel. Panel are the backbone of your workspace, offering quick access to a myriad of tools and features. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, understanding how to customize and utilize panels efficiently can significantly enhance your workflow. So let's jump right in. Okay, so before we get started, nitty gritty, let's take a moment to understand what panels are and why they are essential. So, panels are customizable, collapsible, and continue that house various tools and options in Photoshop. You can find them on the right side of your workspace, and they are served as your command center for different tasks. Okay, so let's explore some of the most commonly used panel. Like you can find here the layers. This is the layer. Before I will just unlock this one, and here we can get the layer panels and also adjustment. You can find in the adjustment and also in the history, sometimes you may find it then channels, path, info, or the different one. You can easily find there. Okay, so these panels gives you the control over your projects. So visual enhancement and lets you undo and redo actions. Okay, so everyone's workflow is unique, and Photoshop allows you to tailor your workspace accordingly. Learn how to add, remove, rearrange panels to create a workspace that suits your needs. Okay, so this can distinctly improve your efficiency and make your editing experiences more enjoyable. And you can increase here and make here another panel by clicking over the window and just choose here what do you want. So like if I want to use the history, so come up the history and you can just drag in and you can use here. Okay, so this is our history panel. So you can also add the different panel by using the window tabs and click over and select, and it can give you the panels. Okay, and beyond the basics, there are specialized panels like the channels, or you can also use the path, and also you can get the 3D of your wand and use like here. So this is specialized, you can find in there, and it's a 3D. Okay, so if you're into the advanced editing, and we will uncover some hidden gems in these panels that can elevate your design. Okay, so speed up your workflow by mastering keyboard shortcut for panel navigation. And we will also share some tips on how to group panels and create panel set and switch between different workspace layouts seamlessly by clicking over here, and you can make it as group into here. Like if I want to make 3D panels into the group, this one, and just drag in and it can give you the groups. Okay, so this way you can easily customize your panels, and also you can easily show yourself by clicking over here and it can give you. Okay, so there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering panels in Photoshop. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.